To set up an account with Starling Bank, download Starling app. Get the Starling Bank app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Launch the app. Open the app and tap on Sign Up or Get Started. Provide personal information. Enter your personal details, including your full name, date of birth, email address, and mobile number. Verify identity. Starling Bank will require you to verify your identity. This typically involves taking a photo of your government-issued ID, using the app's camera and taking a selfie. Address and contact details. Enter your residential address and contact details as prompted. Security and agreement. Set up security features like a PIN or password. Review and agree to Starling Bank's terms and conditions. Wait for approval. Once you've submitted your information, Starling Bank will review your application. Approval times can vary but typically happen swiftly. Account activation. Upon approval, you will receive confirmation and your account will be activated. You will gain access to your new Starling Bank account and its features.